Okay, now let's look at this question. A binary relation on natural numbers is defined as follows. A comma b is in relation to c comma d if a is less than or equal to c or b is less than or equal to d. Okay, so a and c, if a is less than or equal to c or c is less than or equal to d. Okay, so either the first out of the tuples, if the first element is comparing among the first elements, the first one is smaller, or among the second elements the first one is smaller, then there is a relation or. So any of them, if it holds, then it is correct, right? Now in the question they are talking about reflexive and transitive behavior of such a relation. Okay, so what can we say if we are talking about something like a comma b in relation to a comma b? Okay, so is it the case that they are having a relation or not? Just a question mark. Okay, so a less than or equal to a, can I say, or b less than or equal to b, can I say? The thing is that both of them are true, so or is definitely true, and that's why this thing holds, and that's why I can clearly say that yes, this is holds, and that's why the reflexive behavior is there. This is there. What about transitive behavior? Okay, is it the case that if a b is in relation with bc, and we also know that bc is in relation with, let's say, cd, then is it true that AB will be in relation to CD? And it can be completely different. So A, B, C, D also it can be there, and it can be completely different, E, F. So anything can be there. My point is that does transitivity hold or not? And I will claim that it is not the case. And if I'm saying that it is not the case, then it is not necessary to prove that it is not the case. It is just sufficient to give you an example that is not the case, and then it can be said that that is not the case. Because if I say that this is true, then I have to prove it. But if I have to say that it is false, then it's enough to give you an example. Okay, so let's give an example. So when I talk about this thing 5, 6 and 8, 3, 8 and 3, are they in relation or not? See, 5 is less than or equal to 8, so or is there, anyone is there, so definitely this is in relation. Okay, what about 8, 3 and 2, 4? 8 is less than or equal to 2? No. But 3 is less than or equal to 4? Yes. So this is also in relation. So this is having relation with this is having relation with this. Is it the case that 5, 6 is having relation with 2, 4? Is it the case? 5 is less than or equal to 2? No. 6 is less than or equal to 4? No. So nothing is true. So definitely this is not relation. Okay. So I have given an example where transitivity does not hold. So in general, definitely this thing is false. So the correct answer is what? That P is correct but Q is false. P is true but Q is false. The correct answer is B.